Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to walk you through a few issues I had with decalking this dishwasher. Please find a video below in the description about unmounting this left cover and this plastic labyrinth. Basically you just need to unscrew these two screws and also there are two bolts inside the dishwasher, this small one and the big one, and these 1, 2, and this is the third, what it's called, clamp or whatever. So then you can unmount the plastic labyrinth. So my dishwasher started to report this error with inlet outlet problem, and I had to remove the left cover. You can find lots of videos about it. And then actually the dishwasher also reported the E14 error, which meant that this part needed to be replaced, which I did, but it didn't solve the error. So I called a technician, a repairman, who told me that the problem was in this part, which was calked. There was lots of calc in there, so I had to clean it up with some vinegar, and I just let it there for 24 hours and occasionally just shifted it, tilted it to let the vinegar get into all these areas here. So I put the vinegar in here, which is the water inlet hose. So it poured all the way here to this part, which was apparently clogged with calc, and then I mounted this whole plastic labyrinth panel back to the dishwasher, and when I turned it on, it started to smoke out of this connector. So I had to put the whole panel, this plastic one, I just leaned it towards our central heating overnight, and then the next day I turned it on and there was no smoke anymore. But another problem occurred around here. This is the from inside. You can see there is this huge bolt which can be unscrewed, has to be unscrewed to unmount the left panel, and on this plastic side there is a black seal which I found on another YouTube video. So this seal was like it fell down into this place down here, so I just had to put it back. These are the three things I wanted to point out. So decalking this part is important if you have this like calky water like we do, and you just need to use some kind of decalking liquid like vinegar or what. And yeah, then don't forget to dry out this connector properly, because this part is attached to this plastic panel, so apparently I poured some water into this connector as well. And then don't forget that this thing, and also this one here, there is a seal which from the other side, from the inside of the dishwasher, is mounted using this bolt from the inside. So there are two seals, this one and this one. You need to have there to not leak any water. And yeah, another thing, this hose is pretty difficult to put out. So I had to use a screwdriver to get between the hose and this this thing, and just to push it downwards, and then use pliers to pull the hose downwards. And it's also good to just to squeeze it and to turn it back and forth to make it easier. And oh, one more thing, it was quite difficult to unmount this panel. In all those videos on YouTube, you can see that you just need to unplug this and this one. But my panel, I don't know if it's usual for all dishwashers, but my panel was really like glued to the dishwasher. So I had to, yeah, I used this this metal ruler to get between the panel and the dishwasher, and I had to push it all the way through to cut the glue, and yeah, then it finally went away. So yeah, these are the things I had to fight with, so I hope it will help someone. One more thing I forgot to mention is that after all these trials and errors, I had some water down in at the bottom of the dishwasher. So you can find videos where people unmount this front panel and like take water away from the bottom of the dishwasher. But actually the serviceman who came here, he told me that you just need to lean the dishwasher this way, and it really worked, and all the water went out from this part, so it was pouring to the floor, and you have to lean it like at 45 degrees, and then it's okay again. So you don't need to unmount this front panel here just to get rid of the E15. Yeah, that's it.